Alright guys, another Mul-T-Lock. Another one sent by Tony S. I told him I wanted to learn more about Mul-T-Locks, and he sent me a lot. I do not have a key on this one, and I don't know if I can take it apart. We'll see. Does that look close to you? That seems weird to me. Oh well. We'll see if I can open it. Okay. Click there. Another click. I'm having to work off the left side. So I'm trying to make sure my hand's not in the way. Smooth. Weird. Okay, yeah. I swear this lock's already in a false set. I was thinking maybe I could reset it, but it's not really moving. That is strange. Okay, well. We'll work with what we have. And my daughter should be waking up soon. I'll go grab her then so my wife can sleep in. Hopefully she sleeps in until 7. It's a little early in the morning right now, so I can work on locks. Okay, something was wrong there. That's not right. That lock shouldn't have opened up that easy. I hardly said anything. Yeah, something's wrong there. Let's reset it. That's not thick enough. Yeah, I refuse to accept that opening. That's not coming either. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I knew something was weird, but... Alright, now that I said that, this lock probably won't open. Here we go. Okay, just have to click. Another click, slight false set. I don't know if I said that or not. Okay. I'm in the false set. I'm getting counter rotation. Huh. We'll see, there's another one. Hard time getting under this one. Yeah, that first opening I knew something was wrong. As much as I would like to say, oh, and opens and open. That's not a real multi-lock open. I'm not getting a ton of feedback from this lock. I'm gonna reset it. Okay. We'll try once more. That felt solid. Okay, dropped into a pretty solid full set. Let's see. Yep. Alright. So I've got this nice false set. Just gotta find who's left. I thought it was that, but I don't think it was. I like the pulse that I'm seeing. Now I just gotta find what else is left. Oh, there we go. I was hung up on the inner in one, felt like. Alright, now here's a part where I may screw it up completely. Alright guys, so I had to end the video. My daughter woke up, so I had to help her, and then I came back. I couldn't figure out how to get this lock. There's one circlip here, but not one here. I tried to research it, tried to figure out all that I could. No luck. I asked Tony S. if he knew how to do it, because this is his lock. He said if I don't know how to do it, I'll leave it alone because I don't want to mess it up, and because this is on loan to me, I don't want to mess it up either. So, you saw that I just had it open. It's not closed, but that's okay. Trust me, it's a normal multi-lock. I don't have a key, but I can't take it apart anyway to prove it's normal. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them below. Thank you very much.